Hey guys, so I got a pair of Nike Air Force Ones and we're gonna see if they fit.
Hopefully they send you some stuff.
I'll unbox, I'll show them underneath the box.
Show them the box. What it comes with. That's the whole experience.
Ooh. Okay.
The box comes in.
Alright, here we go. So I got a 7.5 because I'm an 8, but in other shoes I'm an 8.5 and they tell you to size half a size down, so I was a little confused and now I'm a little scared. Oh. Wow, even the tissue paper says AF1. Wow, I've never seen them this up close before. Or this clean. Wow, they're big.
Yeah, you got gorilla feet.
What? Wow. Alright, I guess it's time to try it on.
Those are the ugliest shoes in my life.
My brother's not a fan.
How much did they cost?
That's not something we worry about. I feel like they're chunky on me. Hey, they are on my feet. Oh man. I'm really dizzy. Let's see. How close can I get for you to get a good woohoo! Woohoo! Waha! Wahee! Wada! Alright. Me walking away. Me turning. Me walking towards you.
Put your foot up towards the camera.
Like that? It's all clean. So this is what it looks like from above. This is what it looks like from the side. And the back. So the right foot was tighter than the left foot, so I'm gonna change socks into something thinner. But I'm also gonna try and make crease protectors out of this binder I have because I saw someone else do it. I hear the foot shields, like, they're just not good. So here goes. Outline it right here where that part is.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah.
So then you get something like this. And I'm going to try it. That's okay. So when I do that, it only fits a little. Can you cut it out? The binder. And then you're just gonna slide it in and it's gonna sit here like this. I'm just gonna wash the ink off so that it doesn't get on the shoe.
Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why.
It hurts a little bit on the sides, but I probably just have to cut it down a little. I've seen people put plastic bags in their shoes too. Or I could just walk like a duck forever. That is it for this vlog. Hopefully you'll see me in them in future ones. Alright, bye guys.